It's Jessica from Von Borstel and Associates, and today we're going to go through the steps to resetting your password for Track My Wealth. Put in our username, click Next, and then we're going to click on Forgot Password. Here it's giving me the option to send me an email to reset my password. I just want to point out to you guys, once you've started this process and you get the email, you'll have 1 hour to finish the process or the code becomes void. All right, there's a couple things I want to point out about this email to you guys is, one, it's not coming from Von Borstel and Associates, and it's also not coming from Track My Wealth. It is now coming from Okta.com. So in the email, you have two options. You can reset your password here, and that link expires in 5 minutes. Or you can use the code that they send you instead. So today, I'm going to use the code. So we're just going to copy. And over here, it says, click here to enter verification code you received. Enter the code there. Now it's going to do the two-factor authentication process. So you can have two options. You can do an SMS code, which is a text message, or receive a voice call instead. If your two-factor authentication phone number is a home number, you're going to want to do the voice call. But for this one, I'm going to do the SMS code. And the code comes pretty quickly to your phone. All right, I just want to point out a few things for their password requirements. Has to be at least 14 characters, upper and lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, no part of your username, first name, or last name, and cannot be the same as your last 24 passwords. All right, so I'm going to click on the I here just to make sure I have it all correct. Now, if you see here, it says sign me out of all other devices. If you click on this, it will sign you out of all of your other devices, and when you go to log back into Track My Wealth, you will need to put in your new password. And we have reset the password successfully. I do want to show you guys one more thing in the email. You will get an email from Okta letting you know that your password has been changed. If you did not request this and you did not do this, please contact Von Borstel and Associates immediately so we can look into it for you. Thank you.